Bonjour mes amis, comment ça va? Hello friends, how are you? I hope you're all very well. So first of all, welcome to my channel. In today's video, we are going to discuss 7 ways to say I love you or to express your love in French. So let's start the video. Firstly, we will discuss 3 formal ways to say I love you. Before starting the video, I would like you to please subscribe to my channel so that you can get daily updates from my channel. Thank you very much. To say I love you in French, we say Je vous aime. Je vous aime. Repeat with me. Je vous aime. Je vous aime. To say I love you very much in French, we say Je vous aime beaucoup. Je vous aime beaucoup. Repeat with me. Je vous aime beaucoup. Je vous aime beaucoup. To say I adore you in French, we say Je vous adore. Je vous adore. Je vous adore. Je vous adore. Repeat with me. Je vous adore. Next comes 4 informal ways to say I love you in French. To say I love you informally in French, we say Je t'aime. Je t'aime. Repeat with me. Je t'aime. Je t'aime. Very good. Next, to say I adore you informally in French, we say Je t'adore. Je t'adore. Repeat with me. Je t'adore. Je t'adore. Next, to say you are the love of my life, we say in French, tu es l'amour de ma vie. Tu es l'amour de ma vie. Repeat with me. Tu es l'amour de ma vie. Tu es l'amour de ma vie. Next, to say I love you more than anything, we say in French, je t'aime plus que tout. Je t'aime plus que tout. Repeat with me. Je t'aime plus que tout. Je t'aime plus que tout. I love you more than anything. So this was all in today's video. I hope you have liked the video and have learned how to say I love you and express your love in French to your loved one. If you have liked the video, then please like, share and subscribe to my channel. And thanks for watching. Au revoir. À la prochaine.